Guys, got a new package in today. See here. Babe, you got that knife? You gonna do the honors?
It's mine, isn't it?
Oh, nice. I'll take that. Oh, that's pretty. Jackets.
Waders.
Thank you, Gator Waders,
Here,
for these waders. Get the box out of the way. I'll throw that away. We went with the Swamp Series waders, guys, for this Florida weather. Our other waders were getting pretty hot, even 60-something degrees. So we're gonna try these out. Well, that feels pretty warm, actually. That fleece and stuff inside.
Yeah, that's gonna be really
That'll
warm.
be really warm. I love the jacket. I love the color. Oh man, that's awesome.
What these look like.
And we're gonna get these Swamp Series uninsulated waders taken off. Comes in a really nice little mesh bag, almost like a little holder. Would be really cool is if you keep the bag after you get done with your waders. I guess if you could ever fold them back up. I don't know how easy it is to put back in there.
But neoprene, no. You could probably fold these up easy.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty easy, I think, to put back in there.
Maybe extra straps, maybe?
Yeah, straps or something.
Probably extra. That's extra straps. Maybe to extend them. Or just extra in general.
Sweet. I got the black Swamp Series uninsulated waders. Ashton's gonna be rocking this like aqua color with the leopard print. It's pretty girly. Oh, that'll be pretty cute. And I'll tell you what, they look really, really thin. It's actually got a little bit of just a little bit in there. And then the waders, the bottom cover where the your legs are, like it's got an extra stitched on layer right there to make it a little bit thicker. He said that the women's might run a little small, so he went up a size. But
see, yours is a full zip. Mine's not.
yeah, flip yours, flip
Mine's
it over.
on half.
Hold it up, just hold it up so I can see it. And put it on the show. Oh man, I'm excited. Yeah, that'll be really nice. I can wear that with the waders and stay dry, even if it's raining.
See yours? Look, they're different. Jackets are different, guys. So yours is just netting.
Yeah, on the Swamp
Mine-
Series.
I didn't get a Swamp Series. I chose to get just the regular like.
I think it's called a bog jacket or something.
So mine's like if you want warmer. So I
Yeah.
think that's.
I think
the
you'll still
warmer
like
route.
that'll be.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, the Bog 2.0. Which something I noticed on the website is I don't remember seeing the Swamp Series for women's. I like
No,
the
they
Swamp
did.
jacket.
The Swamp Series jacket for women were just gray, like yours, and they had like gray and like red and gray.
Yeah.
And
Will you
blue.
unbox these?
Yeah.
I want to see what those are. Since I'm holding the camera. Man, thank you again, Gator Waders. We're really excited to be able to
Test them out this weekend, probably.
test them out. Yeah, we'll use them this weekend in the swamps. Very much Florida swamps. And stay dry. Stay warm without being too hot.
Yeah, these are going to come in handy if you ever remember how you rip your strap on Venoms.
Mm-hmm.
There's your extra straps.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh my God, these are so big. You put too many of these things.
That's a regular 11. They do look real big, huh?
Tall.
That's good. I want them as high up my armpit as possible. Sometimes when you jump off in the water, it's all the way up to your armpits.
For sure.
Okay, well, we're gonna try these on, what we thought would fit us, and see how everything is, what they look like on, and then just based off of my feel compared to like a regular neoprene wader. You're still going to have that waterproof, but you're going to have a light, thin exterior just to keep you from being too hot, but still protected from all the mud and everything like that. So I want to get these things tried on, see how they fit.
So you can tighten your wrists to make it tighter because they're kind of big. And then this is like, I mean, I guess it's like a spandex maybe, sort of. So it stretches. It's really about it. It's half zip, so it's easy to get over your head. But it is pretty thick. I mean, it's warm. So
yeah.
Not really something to wear on a too hot of a day, but other than that.
I like the look of it. It matches your...
Yeah, for sure. And it's still thin enough, so you could easily take a minute or so, but you could easily tuck it in to your waders. And then these are a large 6, right?
Yeah.
So my neoprenes were medium 6, and they were...
No, the jacket's a medium. Oh,
okay.
The waders, yes.
Waders. So yeah, my jacket's a medium, and so, but my neoprene Gator waders are a medium 6. And then these run smaller.
Yeah, Justin said they run smaller.
So if you wear a medium and the neoprene get large, and these are large and they fit just about the same.
Yeah.
Little snug, but still easy to like squat down in. Other than you get a lot of air. Parachute.
Yeah,
but,
parachute pants. If you're
yeah,
there.
pretty good.
I like the pocket. I like the feel. They fit really good on me.
I just can't touch them anymore.
Yeah.
Basically, they go all the way up.
Total protection from the mud in the swamp and all the water and mud and crap that's going to be flying this weekend. She's definitely ready. Super excited about this opportunity with Gator Waders. Really appreciative him reaching out to me and being able to use their products. They definitely fit us better for the Florida lifestyle and the temperatures and everything down here. I want to show you guys this jacket and the men's waders. I'll show you that next. Just got the waders put on. These are the Swamp Series 2.0 uninsulated. What I like about them, obviously they're very light. They're Swamp Series uninsulated. They have a pocket right here for your hands, right in the middle, and then also a pocket right here. This isn't going to be a waterproof pocket, so I wouldn't put like your phone in there unless you knew that you weren't going to get wet. But it does have like a magnetic clip. That is super nice. I really like that. Hand warmers here in the middle, and then also you have pockets down here. And traditional neoprene waders don't have that pocket down here, so I really like that. The fit in them is really good. These are regular 11s. I'm like 5'9", 200 pounds, and I can tell that they still give you some room in the leg to move around in and stuff. But also, honestly, if you're gonna stretch and bend over, all that extra bagginess that you have is pretty much gonna be either filled with air or it's gonna fit tight. So you need a little bit of that if you want to move around freely. Other than that, these straps are adjustable. There's a good sizing chart on the website that you can go and look at. But so far for us, the men's size is true to what it tells you that you need. And on the women's, whatever size you are in the size chart, we are recommended to go one size up because the Swamp Series run a little small, and that seemed to work out perfect for us. And then this is the Swamp Series 2.0 jacket. It's very light also. Like a red kind of breathable material.
Mesh.
Mesh material on the inside. And full zip up. It's even got looks like it's got a pocket right here. Also magnetized. So if you just want to throw something in there small, hide it. Pretty deep pocket in there. Clamp closes shut. And that is on both sides, left and the right side, all the way in there, if you can see that. And it closes shut. Drawstrings, super happy. I don't think that we could get a better setup for what we do and where we ride. Stay dry, stay clean, stay protected from the environment is the important part. And be able to jump in the truck after a long day mud and having fun and strip down and then you're clean. So super happy with these. They fit me really good. All the materials seem really nice. You're gonna have to wear long socks. That probably is pretty obvious for most people, but right now this piece with just short socks on, is rubbing my leg raw, so make sure you wear a long sock. Other than that, I love them. I couldn't be more happy with this material and what it's going to do for us just to be able to ride and even be protected in any kind of weather. All right, guys, another thing I want to show you real quick. Use Ashton as a model here for these. This is a totally new boot versus the neoprene Gator Waders that we already have. There's like this nice little, almost like a little flexible portion right here. And they included something that you might overlook if you're not really paying attention to the details, is it's got a little lip right here. So whenever you're trying to take them off, you use that other foot, grab that lip, help get them off. They are very easy to get in and out of. These boots are much stiffer on the bottom, and they got some good grip right there. So I really like that too. This little bit for the heel, I can feel it in how the boot moves whenever you bend down and lean over. This portion really moves. I like it, and I think they did good on the foot. It's got pretty good cleats on the side, and it feels more solid and stronger than the neoprene boots do. So I like that too. I think they did a good job, and it's got a little toe protector, this little reinforcement right here. Everything looks good on them. Really excited, really comfortable. Thank you, Gator Waders.
Thank you.
All right, whenever you get your Swamp Series 2.0s, you're gonna get this reusable storage bag for your waders. Rinse them off, spray them down, and fold them back up in your bag. Zip it up, ready to go for next time. You're gonna get a spare set of straps in case you mess them up. Comes with your kit. And also each set of waders is gonna come with a repair kit for you guys to use in case you do get them damaged or punctured or something. Properly placed stick or something sharp could cut the wader. Nothing really you can do about that. It is a possibility, but you're covered there with your strap, your patch kit, I mean. And other than that, go outside, wear them, stay dry. Thanks for watching.